Hi kids, it's me, Bobby. And if you like Luigi Aiden and BoyBlam so much, check out their channels. And click the like button to get a prize. Shut up, Baldy. Hey, shut up before I whip you with my ruler.
Hey, don't whip. Hey, don't whip, Bobby. I'm Terrence. I'm a tree frog.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, hey everybody, Luigi Aiden here. We're about to play 7 Nights at Bobby's Remastered again. Unfortunately, New the Oswald movie is not here today, so it's just gonna be me and BoyBlam today, and we're on night 3. And you probably heard what Bobby said.
Yeah.
What?
The video, and you heard what Bobby said too.
And Terrence was also standing up for Bobby.
Yeah.
Alright, so. Oh, Flex! Look at Flex's cake. Ah! Where's Terrence?
Hey, Lolo.
Terrence, don't eat the balloon! Terrence looks like he's gonna eat.
Don't eat that.
But Terrence eats a.
Dangerous.
Yeah, Terrence!
Stop. It's Terrence's place.
Terrence is like, what's going on? Terrence, you ate the balloon! Bobby!
Alright, so
I'm not an idiot. I'm a smart froggy. I'm a smart froggy. Oh my god.
What the heck?
Right. I like eating balloons.
Stop being an idiot, Terrence.
Oh, hi, Flex. I just gotta keep checking the cameras.
Hey, go to Bobby real quick. I want to say something. Hey, Bob, please listen. Hey, kids. It's dark in here. Can some of you guys turn on the light, please? Thank you. Anyways, I have something to tell you. BoyBlam has a girlfriend. And her name is Felly. What did you just say? Did you tell him that I have
He said his girlfriend is Felly. Give me a high five, Bobby.
Oh, come on.
Flex?
You guys were not supposed to tell, and now you did. Sally, don't watch that part. Just skip it to, like, 2:43.
Oh my god!
Hallucinations. Alright, so I'm done playing Roblox, so I'm gonna take a break on that.
Oh my god, Terrence is
I'm
coming.
also gonna take a nap.
Clowny. Flex is on.
Clowny.
Okay. Oh my god, we have to be careful.
Have my loony voice?
We'll be careful.
Yay! Yay! Clicking on the nose is fun. Oh my god! Hi, Terrence. Hi. Okay.
So the power runs down slow. I should have used that project, but no.
Why is my camera going down every time when Clowny is running? Why?
I don't know.
I'm scared. A little bit scared. I shouldn't.
Oh, hi, Bobby. I see you.
I need a hug from Felly.
Oh, hi, Flex.
Hi, Flex.
Oh my god, look at that cake's face.
Huh. That cupcake.
It's a cake!
Terrence. That cupcake cake. The cakey cake.
Oh my god, hallucinations.
Oh no.
When Josh Peck sees the hallucinations. When Josh Peck sees it. There's hallucinations!
Yeah. After you play 7 Nights at Bobby's, I dare you to play 7 Nights at BoyBlam's. The secrets with... Are you scared right now?
You know I'm alright.
Alright. People want to see the gameplay. That poster.
Oh my god.
Bob, please do not move.
Of them? What happened?
I decided to
There were 2 left. Where is it? You ate. There were 2 left, Aiden.
But I want to get back at the game, Aiden.
Tell me the truth, Aiden.
I ate 1 fruit roll.
Then where was the other?
I don't know. Oh my god, why is my camera going down?
Where was the box? Where'd you put the box?
In the recycling bin.
But it wasn't finished. It's not in the recycling. Where are you hiding it? Brad, show me where it's in the video. Show me where you're hiding it.
Well, guys, Aiden having a serious discussion with Brad.
I'm supposed to be doing the video.
Oh my god. I better just barged in my room.
Yeah, because you caught my foot, Aiden, because I wanted to know where you hit the phone. Now I'm in the recycling bin.
Okay, I see Flex.
You guys should try out. You should try out 7 Nights at BoyBlam123, guys. Try it out. See how it is. There's some fans.
Oh, hi, Flex.
They like the game, but not Tyler Games. He does not like the game, of course. Thinks I'm bad at games. That was not nice. I need a hug from Felly.
Brad just like barged
Oh,
into.
my
Brad like barged into the video.
God. Yeah.
I ate like 1 fruit roll up. Oh, hi, Terrence.
Never mind. Hey, don't do that.
Sorry, someone asked me a
Never
question.
mind. You were right. You missed. Goodbye. Subscribe to Mr. Rogers at YouTube.com.
I ate like 1 fruit roll up. That's it. I was hungry. The fruit roll ups were for us.
I'm not mad at you.
Brad always has to
Okay.
barge in like this.
I thought there was 2.
All right. Anyways, where's Terrence? Oh, hi, Terrence.
Well, hi, Mr. Froggy. Mr. Froggy.
Like Jeffy when he sees it, like, hey, Mr. Froggy, what doing?
Like and subscribe to Luigi.
Hallucinations.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Get the heck out of here, Brad.
No, whoa. Woo! We're alrighty. At least Crazy Brad is. At
Hey,
least,
it's 7 a.m. You can do this.
yeah. At least Crazy Brad's out of the room, right?
Right, Crazy Steve.
Oh yeah. All right.
You ate my enchilada. Hey, BoyBlam. What, Bobby? When will you kiss Ellie? Stop! What? I thought you love her. I still love her, but I'm still blushing. What's up with the camera?
Oh wait, Wait. Where's Terrence? Oh, hey Terrence.
What's with those pretty fingernails?
Stop! I'm a boy.
You're still a girl.
Stop!
You're a girl.
Terrence is a girly girl.
Hey! Sorry.
That was crazy. Alright, guys. See you guys in part 4. Later, guys. Peace out. Subscribe to our channels. Bye.